wondered how factories produce millions of cakes every single day? What's the secret to baking perfect cakes that stay delicious and fresh for weeks? Let's uncover the entire process, from raw ingredients to the beautifully packaged cakes you see on store shelves. This video takes you inside the fascinating world of large-scale cake production. You'll see how each cake is carefully crafted, step by step, in factories that churn out millions daily. From selecting the freshest ingredients to the art of decoration and final packaging, this process is a true marvel of modern technology and human skill. By the end of this video, you'll have a new appreciation for the cakes we all love. Every great cake begins with top-quality ingredients. Simplified, factory-sourced flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and other essentials from trusted suppliers. These raw materials are thoroughly inspected upon arrival. The flour is sifted to remove impurities, the eggs are checked for quality and consistency, and the butter is measured for smooth blending. This rigorous selection process ensures that every cake has a perfect base. Once the ingredients are approved, they're prepared for the next stage. Workers handle each component carefully. The butter is softened to ensure it blends smoothly, sugar is finely ground, and eggs are cracked into mixing bowls. These basic yet critical preparations lay the foundation for a smooth and consistent batter. Factories prioritize precision here because even the smallest mistake in measuring or preparing ingredients could ruin the texture or flavor of the final cake. Machines assist in making these measurements accurate, but skilled workers also keep a close eye on the process to ensure everything is up to standard. With ingredients ready, the process moves to mixing and blending. Massive industrial mixers combine flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and other components into a smooth, even batter. These machines are designed to mix large quantities efficiently, ensuring that every part of the batter has the same consistency. The mixers are equipped with settings that allow for different speeds and times depending on the recipe. For instance, some cakes require slow mixing for a denser texture, while others need fast whipping for a lighter, airier result. During this step, precision is key, because overmixing or undermixing can drastically affect the cake's quality. To ensure perfection, workers monitor the mixing process closely. They check the texture, color, and aroma of the batter to make sure it meets the recipe's requirements. If anything seems off, adjustments are made immediately. This attention to detail guarantees that every batch of batter is as good as it can be. Once the batter is ready, it's poured into baking trays. These trays are then loaded into huge industrial ovens, which are carefully calibrated to bake each cake evenly. The temperature and baking time are controlled with precision, as these factors are crucial for achieving the perfect texture and flavor. As the cakes bake, the heat activates the ingredients, causing the batter to rise and create that soft, fluffy texture we all enjoy. Inside these ovens, the cakes develop their golden brown tops and their signature crumb structure. The aroma that fills the factory at this stage is simply irresistible. Workers keep a close watch on the ovens, checking timers and temperatures to ensure consistency. Once the baking cycle is complete, the cakes are removed and inspected. This ensures they've risen evenly and have the desired texture. Any cakes that don't meet the quality standards are set aside, maintaining the factory's high production standards. After baking, the cakes must cool before they can be decorated. Cooling is a crucial step because it allows the cakes to firm up and hold their shape. The cakes are placed on conveyor belts in a controlled environment where air circulation helps them cool evenly. While the cakes cool, workers prepare for the next stage, decoration. This involves setting up frosting, fillings, and other decorative materials. Whether it's a simple vanilla frosting or a complex multi-layered design, Everything is meticulously organized to ensure a seamless workflow. This preparation stage also includes quality checks. Workers inspect the cakes for any cracks or imperfections that might affect the decoration process. Only cakes that pass these checks move on to the next step, ensuring that every product is visually appealing and structurally sound. Now comes the most creative part: decorating the cakes. Factories use a combination of machines and skilled workers to add frosting, toppings, and intricate designs. Machines apply the base layer of frosting quickly and evenly, while workers handle the finer details, like adding sprinkles, edible decorations, or piped designs. Some cakes are decorated with simple elegance, while others feature elaborate designs for special occasions. Regardless of the style, each cake is handled with care to ensure it looks as good as it tastes. This step is where artistry and precision come together, showcasing the skill and creativity of the factory team. Every design is checked for consistency, ensuring that each cake matches the brand's quality standards. If a cake doesn't meet these criteria, it's sent back for adjustments. This ensures that every product leaving the factory is flawless, ready to impress customers. Once decorated, the cakes are ready for packaging. Packaging is more than just wrapping the cakes. It's about preserving freshness and ensuring the product is protected during transportation. Factories use automated machines to wrap each cake in airtight packaging, sealing in its flavor and texture. Labels are then applied, displaying important details like the flavor, ingredients, and expiration date. This step ensures that customers can trust the quality and safety of the product they're buying. After packaging, the cakes are arranged in boxes for shipping. Workers handle this process carefully to avoid any damage. The boxes are sealed and stacked, ready to be loaded onto trucks for distribution. Before the cakes leave the factory, they undergo one final inspection. This ensures that each cake meets the company's quality standards. Workers check for consistency in size, decoration, and packaging, ensuring that only the best products reach the customers. Once the inspection is complete, the cakes are loaded onto trucks and sent to retailers or distributors. The entire process, from selecting ingredients to shipping the final product, is a testament to the factory's commitment to quality and efficiency. From start to finish, the process of making millions of cakes in a factory is an impressive combination of technology, skill, and passion. Every step, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in creating cakes that are enjoyed by people all over the world. Want to see more behind-the-scenes processes like this? Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating factory tours.